Hey everyone, it's your favorite creator on Vesta here. Today, I want to talk to you about something that's been on my mind for a while now. As much as we love exploring and studying the universe around us, there are certain things we need to be aware of, specifically, the potential destruction that Vesta could cause on Earth. Now, for those of you who don't know, Vesta is one of the largest asteroids in our solar system, located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. It's around 330 miles in diameter, making it the second largest object in the asteroid belt after the dwarf planet Ceres. But here's the thing, Vesta's size and composition mean that if it were to collide with Earth, it could cause massive devastation. In fact, some scientists estimate that a collision with Vesta could release as much energy as 3 billion nuclear bombs. That's not something we want to mess around with. So, why am I telling you all this? Well, I think it's important that we continue to study and learn about the universe, but we also need to be aware of the potential risks and dangers. Who knows, maybe one day we'll be able to prevent a catastrophic collision with Vesta or another asteroid. But for now, let's keep exploring, keep learning, and keep staying safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.